Ah, let's wait some people to join. Hi Tanix. Hi Kunal bhai, how are you? All good bro, how are you? So today we have a very special guest here. India ki shaan, Bharat ki shaan, DJ Shaan. So a very good friend of mine. He will be joining us in a couple of minutes. Hi Mohit, hi Ananya, hi Varsha, hi Rami. How are you guys doing? How's your quarantine going on? Hi Vijay Sanil, how are you? कैसा चल रहा है सबका क्वारंटाइन? कैसा जा रहा है? सिद्धांत पांडे कैसे हो आप? नथिंग, घर बैठे हैं यार, आराम कर रहे हैं. आराम कर रहे हैं, लाइव कर रहे हैं, कुछ थोड़ा सा काम कर रहे हैं प्रोडक्टिव, नथिंग एल्स. डीजे रेमी, मास्क मैन, एक्सॉन सर, बिग फैन, थैंक यू भाई. मोहित भाटिया, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? वन सेकंड, वी हैव शान हियर, 1 minute. Remy, you haven't received the email back. Remy, I already mentioned yesterday that it will take some time. हेलो मेरा भाई, क्या हाल है?
सब ठीक है.
कैसे हो आप? क्या चल रहा है क्वारंटाइन में? व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ?
चल रहा है और क्या. जब अभी जो हमने अभी बोला वही हो रहा है सबका.
सब सो रहे हैं और सबकी नींद खराब कर रहा हूँ मैं 5 बजे एक एक करके.
क्या करे यार, करना पड़ता है.
How's quarantine, bro? Staying at home, producing something, new
ब्रो
things coming
सीजन
up.
टाइम पर क्वारंटाइन हो गया.
So March or April, 2 months, like I guess was the peak for DJs to do. Post
कुछ
that
भी.
any which ways, तो वो खाली रहता है हमारा सेशन, जो मतलब हमारा जो टाइम रहता है. तो
हाँ पूरा.
बट ये 2 मंथ अगर हो जाते अच्छे, तो फिर शायद कोई भी कुछ नहीं बोलता. फिर सबको पता है 3 मंथ तो वैसे ही घर पे रहना है.
सच
You all
में.
have to stay back home, correct?
अभी तो सबका वाट लग गई.
Yeah, true, true. I guess our industry will be the last one to open in terms of clubs, campuses, because
For
they
sure.
they want to stop
I've
social
already, I
gathering.
think, spoken to Arjun and Mohit. I think when it started
Hmm.
only, I think 2 weeks into the quarantine, I spoke to them. I said, by at least 6 to 8 months, कुछ होने नहीं वाला है, for sure.
नहीं, 8 months तो मत बोलो भाई, रोड पे आ जाएंगे. 8 months is
बट
gonna
सच
be
में
too
कुछ
bad.
कुछ होने, but it's gonna be tough, man. It's gonna be tough for all of us.
Yeah, the Bombay situation is becoming very bad, bro.
Bombay will come
Like
bad,
today
yeah.
I saw 1800 plus cases today. I have seen, I've checked online. My goodness, Bombay is getting, I guess,
और बॉम्बे का ये
Maharashtra is the
शो,
worst hit.
and Bombay shows are only always banging. वही सीन है.
What else to do? What to do? See, let's see.
सच में.
आता है कभी, hope for the best. Fingers crossed, hope for the best. देखते हैं. कुछ तो अच्छा होना चाहिए.
ट्रू.
यहाँ तो
ट्रू
सब
ट्रू.
कुछ बहुत अच्छा होएगा. Post this lockdown, everybody, a lot of birthdays pending, lot of weddings pending,
वो
lot
तो
of
सब होगा.
campus shows pending. Bro, campus show तो इतना campus show cancel कर दिया है. Like, I guess March or April, I guess you must have cancelled at least 10 shows in terms of
मैंने पूरा,
campuses.
यार मोहित को पता है. मोहित इज
हाँ.
देयर. मोहित को पता है.
Mohit is also here. Mohit, you can comment how many shows have been cancelled.
अरे कैंपस
At
हो
least
गए
10 show तो cancel.
10 शो. हाँ, इजी इजी इजी.
Easy, 10 show,
और
easy.
10 कंफर्म शोज कैंसिल्ड. प्रोस्पेक्टिव तो बहुत हो गए.
सबका ही वाट है ब्रो, देखते हैं क्या
और
होता है क्या नहीं होता.
ये अच्छा सीजन था. आई थिंक ओवरऑल
या,
गुड सीजन था कि सब
ट्रू.
सब सबके लिए अच्छा सीजन था. बट अभी तो
करेक्ट, 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 करेक्ट.
बंद.
ठीक है, देखते हैं when it's coming back. Let's see. I guess the shows, the campus shows जो भी उन्होंने किया, टेक फेस्ट को रिप्लेस कर देंगे वो, जो भी हुआ है, अगर होएगा
हाँ
तो.
हाँ.
अगर इफ दे मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ डिसीजन, बिकॉज आई हैड वन कैंपस व्हिच वाज बुक्ड, एंड वो तो एक दिन पहले कैंसिल हुआ. मतलब रात को 12 बजे कैंसिल हुआ, सुबह 4 बजे
Shit.
आर्टिस्ट का फ्लाइट था. बट द सिनारियो देयर वाज, दे सेड कि नो, वी विल शिफ्ट आवर टेक फेस्ट इन कमिंग सीजन. तो अभी वो कमिंग सीजन अगस्त में है, देखो. लेट्स
देखते
सी,
कुछ
होप
होता
फॉर
भी
द
नहीं.
बेस्ट.
फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड.
या, फिंगर्स
फिंगर्स
क्रॉस्ड.
क्रॉस्ड. वो भी अच्छा होगा,
सो ब्रो,
अगस्त में होगा तो.
a lot of
ठीक है, चालू करते
questions,
हैं.
a lot of things which I have
हाँ.
written here. So first, people, मेरे को डीएम भी आया शान से पूछना कि in what age he started DJing. This is the DM by a particular person.
13. I started DJing in 13, 14 around. Yeah, I started DJing
Okay.
when I was 13, 14, to be precise. I started
How many
like
years experience till now? More
12
than 10,
years.
11, 10, 12
12,
years. So
yeah,
yeah,
12 years.
yeah,
11,
12 years.
12 years. Career
11,
started 10
12
years
years.
ago, but DJing और सब सिखाना, like learning everything, birthday parties, खेलना, parties, corporate parties खेलना, वो बहुत time हो गया है.
Yeah, correct. And a lot of people here does not know Shan ka other side that he have played for multiple corporates, multiple when he started that time. So bro, how was the experience to play Tomorrowland in 2014? So first we'll start from there, then we'll come to all
ठीक
the
है,
releases, record labels.
ठीक है. I think playing at Tomorrowland was still I don't know if it's the highlight of my career. Like I won't lie. My highlight of my career was I think this year one of my shows. But sorry, जूते change करो पूरा गीला हो गया जूता.
No,
Um,
no problem.
uh, I think for me it was one of the most proudest moments of my career. Not the highlight. It wasn't like
Yeah,
the greatest show or anything, but it was the most proudest moment because firstly it's the first Indian to ever play that. It opened the doors up
yeah.
for other artists to come and
Other
break that
artists, correct,
norm of who are Indians in the DJ industry. Uh,
correct.
so it it opened the doors. One thing. Second thing was that my happiest moment was when I put the Indian flag up like that, and it was I think more
Yeah.
than anything that was my proudest moment because there's so many Indians in front of me also, so they also were proud. So it felt like a good connection.
Yeah, true, true. No, lot of your videos, lot of your campus shows, which we have done also, people have taken out those small clips and said India ki shaan, Bharat ki shaan. They have
Uh,
mentioned like that. Yeah, a lot of
I
lot
think
of videos on YouTube also, bro.
no, that's the important thing. No, it's जो मेरा overall goal है, I think India claim, not just for myself, is to be a superpower in international music. Right now, we're a
Correct.
superpower within ourselves only. We
Hmm.
are we're very, very talented, very strong within the Bollywood industry, within India. But
True.
we're not taking that leap to. We're taking that leap. Maybe people think we're taking the leap, but I personally don't think we're taking the leap, aggressively enough to step into the world of um, being a superpower in the international music space. Because, for example, Latin music has come out of nowhere,
Yes.
and it's exploding. But Hindi can't be the same because Hindi doesn't have that connect as Latin does. For some reason, the way the words flow and stuff. So people like Pratik Kohad and other artists
Hmm.
who are breaking that barrier. Uh, it's a
True.
small step, but that's also my vision is to break that barrier. Because bro, I was in New York in December, and every person asked me whatever I do, and I said I'm a DJ music producer. So they're like, oh, so you're Indian, you must be playing Bollywood. I said, नहीं भाई. So I want to break that. वही तोड़ने का है मुझे.
Correct, correct. True, 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 true. We hope, man, you will do. And the same year you
Thank
did
you so much.
Ministry of London also.
Yeah, so
So
that
how was the
the same
experience of
year,
Ministry of London?
bro. It was time. My set time was at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. And I was in university at that time. So I graduated 13. I was I think 17, 16, and I was still studying at that
Okay.
time. So I had classes in the day, and then I had to sleep very early. Then I woke up at 4 in the morning. The club came and like picked me up. Then I went. They sent a car to pick me up. Then I went played the show, and I came back at 7 a.m.
Okay.
for my 9 a.m. classes. तो वो सब करना पड़ा. It was again cool experience, but that time I was more of a serious DJ. I was always looking down. It's like not really being a performer. So
Yeah.
I don't really remember much because I was so focused on just the DJing.
Yeah, but it was it was in your very early age though.
Yeah,
So,
it's very. I if it had to come now, I would be doing a lot more with what you call if performance wise. With putting on a
yeah,
show. That time I was
true, true.
that time also the industry was more that they were focused on your DJing skills more than the show around you.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Now it is all about entertainment, bro. So how entertaining, how powerful your set.
came back. I came back.
Yeah.
So Ministry of Sound also was more a club with no SFX, only like simple CO2s. That's it. There are two CO2s, no LED or nothing. So it was just about the pure music at 5 in the morning. So
Correct. One minute. A lot of people are saying hi to you. A lot of people are commenting. I'm missing out those comments. 1 minute.
हाँ
Can
बहुत
I
जा
know?
रहे थे.
तो सब आपके ही हैं भाई. मेरे को तो 2-4 लोग ही हाय बोल रहे हैं, सब शान को ही हाय बोल रहे हैं.
More
One
than
second,
us.
let me read out and say hi to those guys, na.
Moneta's here.
Monata is here. Mohit Bhatia is here. Any new song coming up, Shan sir?
I think that was already one of your questions. No? um, the thing is that we had a transition between labels from Virgin AMI to Republic in the US, so that took a little bit. That created a backlog in terms of the release schedule. So yes, there's songs coming out. When I don't exactly know. I know one is in June. And
Yeah.
personally, I there was massive plans with the release of our first song, so we have to a little bit hold off because of COVID. Because I can't fly to the US to do any of the marketing or shoot videos and stuff. So
So
there's three
this
confirmed
this was
releases
this
this year.
this track was on Casablanca, right?
Yeah, so there's two songs on Casablanca and one on another label.
Okay.
But it's the one on the other label is confirmed for a release date because it's on a sub label of another major,
Okay.
and it's with another artist, so it's pretty easy to
Okay.
manage that. But the Casablanca ones, because they're a major, there's a whole deal around it, so they have to be
Yeah.
way more patient with that.
Yeah.
But yeah, three releases
Mohit
confirmed this year.
is Yeah, so Mohit has commented already. We have missed 7 campuses and 4 outdoor shows.
And these are the confirmed ones. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So Bharat is saying lots of love from Pune.
Stay safe, and Pune is also bad.
Yeah, Pune is also bad. Second in
Yeah.
Maharashtra, yeah. So
Yeah.
Siddhant
So
is
stay
saying,
safe also.
Shan, your song Tera Waqt is amazing.
Yahi tera waqt, yahi tera waqt. That was a
Yahi,
one-off.
no,
That was a
yahi,
one-off.
yeah.
I enjoyed making that song, but that was a one-off. Probably won't make any other songs like that again.
No, man, it was really good. It was really good. That I guess you did it with a lot of rappers, right?
Yeah,
Yahi
so
Tera
these
Waqt, the
guys
trap
called
style, yeah.
guys called Dogs Music, and it was with Afterlife as well. But it wasn't really like my style, if you know what I mean. It was something that I was
Yeah,
trying
yeah,
out, but I put it out. It did kind of well, but I didn't like feel it as a producer. So
yeah. Okay. Somebody mentioned that it must be love also.
that
No,
I like.
light
That
up
song
the
I
world.
like. Light of the
Light
World is
up
my
the
all-time.
world.
Light of the World is my all-time favorite song. Like my all-time favorite
Yeah.
release.
Shan, you did great work with donation. Okay. Sid is saying hi.
Thank
Hope you are
you.
doing good. I am reading the comments, man. So miss out.
Yeah.
फिर लोग क्या करते बाद में डीएम में गाली सुनाएंगे से पहले ही पढ़ लो.
हाँ. होता
Then
तो
I will go ahead.
मुझे भी होता
Yeah.
है.
The the Earth dot in is saying today is my birthday. Please, okay, happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, bro.
1 minute. ओए,
Wait.
यही तेरा वक्त song is lit. Loved your jodi with Afterlife. Okay.
Afterlife Boys.
I, Pune is very bad. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Slap
Yeah,
track.
which is your dream country to perform?
Uh, it's not dream country. I'll probably,
Yeah,
it's just more like, I think, to not perform because perform is just one show. I would love to
yeah.
like tour in the US. I would definitely love to tour in the US. But that's a part of the next steps of the release music. The
Yeah.
long journey, long journey.
लॉन्ग जर्नी करेक्ट 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 सो लेट्स मूव टू अनदर वन लोगों ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बीच बीच में से मेरे
हाँ.
उठा लिए हैं so let's talk about light up the world which is your favorite and like I want to tell people that it was on Beatport top 15 in the world so
Yeah.
share your memories for light up the world man so how close it was you know
It was obviously one of my first major releases in terms of it's weird how it kind of came together because Lauren Evans, as you know, is an amazing singer, and she at that time had collaborated with Armin van Buuren and so on. So it was really interesting. I landed up meeting her after the Armin Only show, and then I was kind of like, hey, I'm a DJ producer, and I hadn't really released any music, so but then she kind of just enjoyed being around me. I don't know, and I think I was 17 or something at the time, and I'm still very introvertish. So I think we bonded on that. So then she's like, let's do a song together. And I'm like, oh, absolutely, that'd be amazing. And I had the instrumental Live of the World ready. And I was like, hey, I have this ready. And it's one of my like first big songs that I've produced, and it's taken a long time. And so she wrote on it, and we kind of Skyped early in the morning because she was in the US, and we started writing the concept of the song. A lot of people right now are missing the concept of a song. They release music without the concept or the story of what the song is meant to be in their mind. So we kind of sat and before we nailed down the lyrics, nailed down the concept of what the lyrics meant to mean and what the melody, what the song is as such. That's why I think for me that's one of my favorite for productions because I spend a lot of time feeling and understanding the song that I've created because a lot of people don't understand. They create something and release it, but they don't understand the emotion that the song is trying to portray.
True.
So yeah, so it kind of went like that, and then it got signed on to Armada, and it did exceptionally well. There's a huge amount of support.
Yeah.
It climbed up the charts, and at that time, no one was producing really dance music. I think Lost Stories at that time were producing more trance on Black Hole, if I recall.
Yeah.
So this was like the first progressive prog house release on a big scale. And I didn't expect much from it, but it did really well because I think the Indian support also was really proud of everything that's happening and coming out of our country with every artist. So they're pushing, they focused. I think now what's happening also the Indian audience has become thoda confused. They're like, so at that time the scene was exploding, no? So everyone was
Yeah.
more hyped up about every Indian artist that was coming out of it. There's one
Yeah,
long
true.
question that's come here. I have a question for both of you. If I make it yes and do well after releasing like it got support by many DJs and getting recognition after that, how to start DJing and how to get shows? Creepy Corrupts, I would firstly change your name to make it something more easy to say. Marketing, bro, I
Yeah,
chose
true,
people
true,
who want to
true.
be able to say it
Correct.
faster. And I would say, see, the Indian industry right now is very closed, if that makes any sense. When I started, when Anish came in, when Zarin came in, when everyone new came in, it was very open ended, you know.
Yes.
Right now, it's a very closed industry, and campuses are booking artists that are known, that have a name, and that have developed a name for the last 10 years, not like developed the name
True.
last night. So I think you have to. It's much tougher. So you have to be very smart in the way you market yourself and the way you position it. Because I know there are a lot of like influencers and other artists that get a brand deal, but it's a one-off brand deal, but they position in a way where it's like a massive brand deal. So that positioning psychs people out. They say, "Hey, bro, what a deal!" But it's actually just a simple deal. So simple things like that. You have to develop. You know, First you develop a brand. It's a long process, bro. People get bored. Hi, my dog is here. Hi, Penny. Come.
Bro, I missed a very good question. 1 minute. Huh? Let me. My dog is here. What's up, boys? Hi, my dog. How
My
are
dog.
you?
What up, bro? Hi, you.
Somebody. Yeah. Slapjack music. How do you start a new project from scratch? Melody, drums, or what?
Melody.
Melody.
Melody इतनी
100%.
चॉकलेटी क्यों है?
Pandey is saying, Siddhant Pandey is saying, make a love song in your style, bro.
I didn't know. Must be love.
I no, Must Be Love was there. I feel Say Yes was also something like
Say Yes was
that.
also there. End of the World is also there.
Yeah,
So there's quite a few. Just research.
yeah.
Show us your dog. My dog is standing there. She's confused.
Hello. Confused? Why are you sitting in the
She
corner?
wants to go back inside, but nobody's gonna open the door for her.
Okay.
Penny, come here.
Sir, any tips for upcoming DJs? Someone have asked.
Bro, those questions are so vague. How do you? I can't give you. I give that the last lecture. Last lecture was my tip. Or the last massive lecture was my tip. Yeah.
Okay. Somebody has asked a question that what are you working on except producing music? Yes, this is something nice.
It's interesting. Obviously working
Right
on
now
growing
in
my
quarantine.
brand a little bit. I've kind of
Yeah.
stepped away from the whole social media stuff because everyone just it's it's yeah, social media has become a tool of recognition. Like, oh, he has these many followers, that means he's good. No,
True.
I think more about focusing on my brand, focusing on my vision and goal of what I want to do for the music industry and for myself in India. Clarifying it more with myself, and that's it. It's simple as that, to be honest.
Yeah, so bro, which record label also? Like I guess I know you have cracked Casablanca. Basically,
Yeah.
a lot of people does not know here. So Shan is the first Indian artist to be signed on the label where Drake is there, Weekend is there, Post Malone is there. His name is Casablanca. So two releases I guess is pending on that, right? Now in
There'll be more, but two releases have been confirmed. So
confirmed releases are pending
yeah,
on
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Correct. One second, bro. So let's do a rapid fire where
Chalo.
I'll give you one or two words. You have to say whatever comes in your mind. Food,
Donuts.
favorite artist.
VG.
Same, bro. Same. Tattoo bhi hai idhar.
Oh, we
So music,
dance.
inspiration.
So Alex Ferguson.
Okay. Favorite Netflix show right now.
Money Heist, but it's over.
And one more question, last one, bro. So you know how please share the experience of Bring It to Me, bro. Guest list for good experience, basically. People
Uh-huh.
want to know. Yeah,
Uh, the whole see the thing is that with me and my family, we've always been very focused on giving back to the community
yeah,
because uh, it makes us who we are, and if we're fortunate of like I just say I'm fortunate enough to be sitting outside at this time where a lot of people can't even sit outside. Then I can do something for my community that helps them. So uh,
true.
Guesses for Good was developed in a way with Magic Bus coming on board was to help education in our country because there's a lack of education. Like I know Touchwood, cover क्या करें? Touchwood, Touchwood, I had a really really good education, and that's because of all the hard work that my parents have put in over time to be able to afford that education for me. So it was a way of giving back to the society that had given us so much and helping our country grow. So,
Correct.
we can only do so much, but with the power of hundreds of people, thousands of people, we actually helped educate 118,000 children for their entire lifetime of education, which will make
Superb, bro.
such a future. Like we honestly won't know the impact of it, but the impact will be massive. The kid, we don't know. Some suddenly next 10 years, his new Google CEO could be one kid from the slums that our thousand, even not our an audience member from G4G donated with his ticket to this kid, and now suddenly he's the CEO of
Correct.
Google. Nobody will know the impact, but that's the impact that it could have. That's what actually my dad came up with the concept, and I think that everyone just backed him because we invested a lot of money on us from our own savings, and
Yeah,
thankfully it went really really well, and that's how
yeah,
Bring You to Me
man.
came. So my dad was like, okay, Sean, what can you do for guest list apart from play a free set? Because anyway I'd be playing a free set regardless.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was like, okay, fine, let me think, can I make a song, and the royalties go to Magic Bus. So that's how we came up with it, and it's actually Nino who's on the vocal. I worked with him and wrote the vocal before the instrumental came on. Um,
Okay.
so we got the vocal first, and then we understood what that needs to work, and then we created an instrumental, which I still have on my SoundCloud from, I think, from August of that year, and
Okay.
it was very similar to what got released on Revealed, and then eventually Revealed was like, okay, guys, I initially we were trying it very hard to push it for a Hardwell collaboration, but then they were like,
Mm.
okay, we'll give you some other Revealed artists and this and that. So we're like, fine, yeah, sure. Then it got pushed on Revealed, and I was very happy because Revealed an amazing label, and with all the support that they get, we could make a lot of money for kids. So we're like,
Yes.
great, yeah, fine.
True.
And then they said, oh, can we bring K's on board? I was like, yeah, sure, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.
And then he took the entire stems from me, and he kind of just filled it in with his vibe and his synth layering more than anything. The entire melody, entire structure of the song was practically mine, and then he just put his little flavor, and that's what's an edit. Um, and it just made it's just like my song was 90%, and then he just added the 10% on top to make it a banging song.
Banging song.
And yeah, and it's I think we've educated around 150 children with that amount of royalties. Royalties don't get much anyway, but still 100 children from one piece of music is pretty good.
Yeah, very good. And by the way, that was my favorite track, bro. Still, it is my
I
favorite
know,
track.
and it's
If I
mine. My
have to,
mind.
yeah,
Even Rhythm is messaging you saying that's my alarm.
yeah, yeah. Still today, it is my favorite.
That's a. I
lot
feel
of
that
questions, bro.
yeah,
Yeah,
and they said respect. The one guy said respect for bringing giving back to society, and I think more
yeah,
people need to do that. More people really honestly need to, I'm going to be very straight up and blunt. Arjun knows why I'm blunt about this, but
yeah,
people need to get their ass off social media. People need to get off the whole fact of trying to popularize them on social media. Get out, get on this. Don't get on the streets physically, but make a
yeah.
difference. Help. Right now, people need that help, and
Yes,
I can
yes,
see over
true.
people. I can see instead of people helping out, I can see people using this opportunity to market something, and I'm just like
Okay.
I'm honestly like even I've got like if I do get the opportunity to do a brand deal, for example, or something right now which I can make money off, I'll be like, yeah, sure, give me that, and I'll give that to charity. I don't need the
Charity,
money right
true.
now.
True, true,
I'm
true,
okay.
true,
I
true.
have a roof over my head. I have khana. I have
Correct.
pani. Sab mil raha hai.
Correct.
Somebody doesn't have that. So,
Yeah.
whoever's watching right now, get your ass. Help people, man.
True, bro. True,
And
true.
even
Very true. Very true.
yeah, and it's important. It's made that's where the largest thing with I'm also saying no to a lot of lives because those people are doing these things to popularize themselves. While like I knew like when I think Janet came, I said, bro, we're gonna do base
Yeah.
culture. I was like, bro, Rajat, for sure. Like I'll do something. Even
Yeah.
some people might said, "Arey, chota page hai, 1,000 followers." I said, bro, it doesn't matter if
Mm,
somebody comes and gets inspired by me or him, even if
true.
it's right now 36 viewers. That's fine. Hell with it.
Yeah.
That doesn't matter. That's what I need. That's why like I appreciate the way the Indian industry is a little bit going with how it's becoming a little open in terms of the back end, also the promoters and the campuses.
True.
It's competitive, but no one's like at each other's throats. Like, "Tu never." Some people are, but
Mm,
it's. I think the bigger message, what people need to realize is that if you're here on this planet, for all of these guys, whoever are asking questions
sure.
on how to get into the industry, if you're here on this planet, if you're sitting on this earth, there are way too many ordinary people.
Yeah.
Stop being ordinary. Do something, push yourself to be that exception. It's fine. Exception in any way. Exception in being, running like exception in your position as well. You run a full company, plus you're a DJ, plus
Yeah.
you're a friend to a lot of people. You know,
Yeah. True.
you have to be that. Don't it's if people say, how do I do this? How do I do that? I say you can. All of us are lazy, but you can. So it's
Arjun
just
Shah
about
had a
that.
very, very, very good question, bro. He's saying favorite pair of sneakers. So मैंने sneaker head ऊपर लिखा हुआ है पर मेरा miss हो गया. तो favorite pair of sneakers.
They change every month. Um, right now my favorite pair of sneakers are I got the RXX Cubed just before the lockdown happened. I got the RXX Cubed,
Okay.
Puma RXX Cube Sonic edition. Those are my favorite.
Okay.
And right now, like I was wearing my running sneakers, but they're all drenched in water. So, but yeah, all good.
Somebody said, start your own small artist community and sign us. Slapjack Music.
But Slapjack knows all the insides. uh, Bro, like I'll speak to him directly because I've already asked him to send me like 20 DMs and hey, hello. I give you advice, bro, on DMs alone. Nobody gets advice. No, but me and the people at Boss and Shark are working on developing something that it'll take a little bit of time, but
Correct.
developing was something where you will not see a Nuclear on it, you will not see a Ritvaz on it, you will not see a Shan on it, you will not see a Lost Story on it. You'll see a Slapjack, you'll see other unknown artists completely that people don't know about on it. And you'll see them on it with a Shan, with a Nuclear. That's the entire plan because um, it's, as I said, it's a very closed industry, and I'm gonna try to
Bring in
open
some
it a
new
little
talent.
bit. And
Yeah.
there's amazing talent, man. There's this guy called I think NDR8. He's a Hyderabad guy. Young
Okay.
guy, younger than me also. I think he's 18, 17, 18. Great producer. Released stuff for spinning. No one has a clue about him. Slapjack,
Okay.
he keeps sending me music. Brilliant producer. No one knows who he is. Afterlife, no one knew who they were. I found them in Gujarat somewhere randomly through SoundCloud. There's a
Okay.
whole bunch of time. My uncle's over here. All good. All good,
Somebody
Harry
has
Khan.
asked a question, Bhai, where can I send you my music?
Business
Any
at
email ID
shanmusic.com.
demos?
Business at
Okay,
shanmusic.com.
so
Like, actually, like Slapjack and all, I met in Pune in person.
yeah.
And I heard their music in person, so that really helped. But yeah, business at shanmusic.com. Because you
ओके
can't
भाई
really
मैं
meet anyone in person.
किसी का क्वेश्चन नहीं ले रहा हूँ. पिन मास्क इज आस्किंग मी, आई हैव आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन 4 times. माँ तुझे सलाम वर्जन कहाँ मिलेगा? ये
नहीं
डाउनलोड
मिलेगा
कहाँ
भाई,
है भाई?
कॉपीराइट का मेरा वाट लग जाएगा भाई.
Somebody say
Copyright.
respect.
It's
Mine
it's
is
actually it's actually like it's not a version at all. It's literally Ma Tujhe Salam. Then I've added what do you call a riser, then a hall kick, and then it transitions into another song. So it's not really an edit. It's more a mashup.
1 second, bro. Arjun is saying must be love is his favorite. 1 second. Every artist has 30 second pitch to educate and stay at home. This is not happening. Okay, bro. There's some Kash Radio is a name. So he's saying every artist should have 30 second pitch to educate people about stay at home, and that's not happening, and it's so sad, man.
Every artist should have. Sorry, let me see that
Like
message.
they
I
should
don't
they
hear.
should say they should educate people on live
Oh
about
yeah, yeah,
quarantine, about
yeah. 30 seconds
isolation.
educate people about staying at home. That's not happening. Yeah, I do agree with that. I did a little bit of, previously when the quarantine started, I kind of did a whole thing where I was telling people what they should do. Like I was telling people, if you got anxiety, anything, just message me, I'll talk to you and all that. But yeah, I agree with him. A lot of artists aren't doing that. A lot of artists aren't doing the whole charity aspect of like donating food or just giving clothes, whatever. You know, I agree with that guy. There's not much effort coming out of the artist community apart from I can see so many news articles like constantly coming up that uh, Katrina Kaif is showing our cooking skills on Instagram. I said, fuck, I care. Tell me what's gonna happen to these poor people, man. So I agree with him. I completely agree with that guy.
Correct. Uh, One Bharat have asked a question: startup DJing gear which you can recommend.
I learned a really bad equipment, man. To be honest, I learned on the Denon 4500s, and at that time is like, uh, oof. Startup. I don't know. I don't know. Get a controller, man. To be honest, it's too expensive otherwise. Yaman Sharma, DJs are going live with the sets. Do you think it's impactful, or maybe everyone can go for a live interaction fans through the live? Yaman, I think it was it was impactful in the first week of quarantine. Now it's just getting too monotonous, and I think artists should instead interact with their fans live. Take questions. Artists are doing that, but
Hmm.
I don't like. I've said no to a lot of sets that people have said, "Oh, can you do it?" I said, "नहीं भाई, बहुत होगा." और नहीं करने का.
Live. Yeah. A lot of
Live
people
नहीं.
now, a lot of DJs are doing. So I have a huge respect for everyone who is putting out and playing
Yeah,
for
yeah,
free and
yeah.
entertaining crowd in the night. But a lot of people who like me personally, I don't prefer doing live sessions. I don't know why I'm not doing it. So the
No,
reason
exactly.
behind,
It's we. How do you say? Firstly, like I've learned on CDJs, so I cannot play on I cannot play on. I have a really really bad controller from 2010, so I cannot play on that. I cannot downgrade myself to playing on a laptop because I've always been against
yeah,
laptops. I
yeah.
love playing with four CDJs, proper mixer, going at it. DJing. I can't do that. So whether like I'm not. I don't feel like if I don't feel like I'm giving you 100% if I go live. So. But I'd rather talk to you. If I
Fine.
talk like I'm talking to you, I'm talking to I'm answering questions. That can help out a lot more
A lot
for
more.
the person
Yeah.
than just raging in the house. There's a lot of DJs doing that. Listen to them. You listen to me for advice.
Yeah, no. A lot of the
Right?
reason behind us doing this was, they should know what their favorite DJs are doing. How was the journey? How did they, take things in their career?
Yeah.
So that was, bro. What is like? There was a question. I missed that question. There was a question. 20 city. I guess there's a thing. 20 city, 20 shows.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you tell us about that also? What is the concept?
Postponed. No.
No problem,
It
man.
was
Postponed is due to
it was
COVID only.
yeah, it was to basically celebrate my 10 years of DJing, and it was we were going to tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, and just putting on a
Yeah,
massive show which they would never get a chance to see. And putting it on a budget that the promoters can afford it, the event manager can afford it, and so it was kind of just a way to give back, and no one has it was yeah, it was a kind of way to just it's as simple as to give back. And I was also foregoing a lot of my fee to charity for that entire
correct.
tour. So
Hmm.
sometimes on the shows, I think Mohit also knows that we've made a 0 rupees, because the main aim for that, even Big Love for Sharkney, because they've also, like, some shows, okay, we made money, done the commissions and all, but some shows where we've not made money, we've been like, okay, you know now we can't pay each other, so we've invested in the production, invested in a lot of things for that show,
Hmm.
uh, and it was just to give back, just to make sure that people have an amazing show from an Indian artist, uh, for a very reasonable price, sometimes no price at all. So
So, bro, one question from DJ Jasmeet from Bangalore. Are you helping promote the other junior DJs or any future plans to promote new talent?
yeah, so I think he just came to the live, because
Joined the live, yeah, yeah, yeah.
so
Earlier he mentioned.
I explained this before. I'll explain in short. Yes, me and my team are working on something unique with a record. Arey, I'm saying something to start a record label, start something like that for the new and upcoming artists, more than anything,
Correct.
because they deserve that platform. So that's in very short term. So yeah.
And any which ways, bro, tier one, tier two cities, we always had a banger experience than in tier
Yeah.
one cities. I feel in campus shows in tiir two cities. Remember that Kaziranga show where we went, like it
इतना
was
बारिश हुआ
raining
था,
in,
बारिश हुआ ना.
yeah, इतना
Yeah.
बारिश के बावजूद they danced like, oh my
Oh yeah.
goodness, 1 hour,
Exactly.
10 or 20 minutes you played. I remember that set, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
My
That's a good
goodness,
one.
that show was one kick ass show.
That was good for you.
Seriously.
That was
Tier
last
2
year,
and tier
man.
3 cities are always banging, bro. In
For sure,
terms
for
of
sure.
these kind. I guess एक साल में एक opportunity मिलता है उनको party करने के लिए. That is
Oh, that's right.
पूरा वहाँ. Thank you so much, bhai. Thank you so much, for
No
taking your
problem,
time
bro.
and giving us. Chalo, take care. Be safe.
No problem.
Okay. Stay in touch. Thank you so much.
Talk
Thank you
soon,
so
bro.
much, Arjun. Thank you
See
so much,
you.
Mohit.
See you,
Thank you
Rajat.
so much, Shan. See you, bro. See you.
No
Take care.
problem. See you, bro.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.